HubSpot's recently introduced AI features help us with one of the biggest challenges that we have right now. And that is, especially in B2B marketing, but basically in any business, we need to generate a lot of content these days. And as probably all of you know, generating content takes a lot of time, but HubSpot's AI features are really helpful here. HubSpot's AI is basically kind of like ChatGPT built into HubSpot. So it's like a seamless process, and I'm going to show you right now what it looks like. So here we're in HubSpot. Let's go to marketing, and we're going to write a marketing email. So I'm just going to create a new email. It's going to be a regular email. Just going to keep it simple. We always like to keep it simple. And let's say I'm an incredibly boring person. I do not know anything about marketing. So I'm just going to say, I have a coffee shop, and I'm going to introduce, we have new Ethiopian coffee beans. Come and try them. 10% introductory discount this week only. So as you can see, this is my really nice email that I wrote. I really worked hard on this email. But I feel I'm not going to be able to convince that many people to come over to our coffee place and try out our new, let's say an espresso from our new Ethiopian coffee beans, or maybe even buy a bag of beans. So let's see how HubSpot can help us here. We're just going to select the text. I'm going to click it here, and we will see that we have a couple of options. We can ask HubSpot to rewrite it, expand it, shorten it, which is really necessary here, and also change the tone so we can make it more friendly, professional, witty, heartfelt, or educational. In this case, I think we need to expand on this. So let's see what we get. All right, this is something else. I feel I'm gonna need to hire this HubSpot AI for my marketing. Discover the exquisite taste of our freshly arrived Ethiopian coffee beans straight from the lush highlands of Ethiopia. They're really getting to it here. So yeah, we can see that this is a lot better than what we had. Let's say in some case we still don't like it. We can just press regenerate and it will come up with another version. Let's see. Calling all coffee enthusiasts. So I like this one. Oh, it has separate paragraphs as well. I think this could be something. Insert. There we go. And this, just with like a couple of clicks, we go from my incredibly boring email to like whether you prefer a bold espresso, a creamy latte, or a classic pour over. Our Ethiopian coffee beans are versatile and promise to elevate your coffee rituals to new heights. Well, I think HubSpot AI is elevating our marketing to new heights here. So this is basically how HubSpot's AI works. It's a big time saver. It provides you with guidelines, like if you want your text to be more witty, for example. And it also ensures that you have great marketing emails going out and that you will sell a lot of Ethiopian coffee beans. So I hope this video was helpful. If you did like this video, I have another tutorial for you right here. Go watch it right now, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.